Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of July 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 2nd of July 2021. Our first question is SBI, that is State Bank of India, has recently celebrated its Dash Foundation Day on 1st of July 2021. Answer is option number 3, 66. What is SBI? SBI is an Indian multinational public sector banking and services statutory body. It was founded on 1st of July 1955. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Dinesh Kumar Khara is the chairman of SBI. And this SBI has recently celebrated its 66th foundation day on 1st of July 2021. So answer will be option number 3. Next, what is India's rank in the Global Cyber Security Index 2020, which has been recently released by ITU? Answer is option number 2, 10th. Recently, the Global Cyber Security Index produced, analyzed and published by the International Telecommunication Union, that is ITU. ITU, long form is International Telecommunication Union. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations, responsible for all matters related to information and communication technology. It was founded on 17th of May 1865. Headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland. Also remember that headquarters of UNCTAD, that is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, headquarters of WHO, of ILO, then WTO, WMO, that is World Meteorological Organization, and World Intellectual Property Organization, and WEF, World Economic Forum. Headquarters of all these organizations are located in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and headquarters of ITU is also located in Geneva. And this ITU has recently published this index called Global Cyber Security Index. In 2020, it is the fourth edition of this index, and it has been published by measuring the commitment of the 194 member states of cybersecurity in order to raise cybersecurity awareness. And in this index in 2020, India has jumped 37 places. India has jumped 37 places to be ranked at 10th number. So answer will be option number 2, 10th. Also remember that America has ranked at first number in this index in 2021. Then second number is carried by UK and Saudi Arabia and Estonia. And Estonia has ranked at third number. Answer will be option number 2. Next, which of the following country has been recently declared as malaria free by WHO? What is malaria? Malaria is a disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite transmitted by the bite of infected mosquitoes. And recently, WHO has declared China as malaria free on 13th of June, 2021. So answer will be option number 4, China. China has been declared malaria free after a 70-year effort to wipe it out. China used to report nearly 30 million cases a year during 1940s. Since then, eradication efforts have driven down the case numbers, and China used various methods to break the cycle of transmission of the parasite via mosquitoes. And recently, on 13th of June 2021, WHO has declared China as malaria free country. WHO, long form is World Health Organization. It was established on 7th of April 1948. Headquarters is in Geneva in Switzerland, and currently DG of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. And China, look at map, this is China. Its capital is Beijing. President is Xi Jinping and currency is renminbi. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as National Doctors Day in India annually? Answer is option number 3, 1st July. Every year, 1st July is celebrated as National Doctors Day in India by Medical Association or Indian Medical Association. This day is observed to commemorate the birth and death anniversary of former Bengal Chief Minister B.C. Roy or Dr. B.C. Roy. Dr. B.C. Roy was born on 1st of July. 1882 and was died on 1st of July 1962. And this day is observed to commemorate the birth and death anniversary of former Bengal Chief Minister Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. And this day is dedicated to all doctors and healthcare workers who have been serving the people by risking their lives This day was first celebrated in 1991. In 1991, in honor of the former Bengal Chief Minister Dr. B.C. Roy, to recognize his contribution to serving humanity. So answer will be option number 3, 1st July. Also remember that this Dr. B.C. Roy has been awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1961. Next, who among the following is the CEO of Niti Aayog? Answer is option number 3, Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant is an IAS officer of 1980 batch, and from June 2019 he is the CEO or Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog, and the government of India has recently given 1 year extension to Amitabh Kant as CEO of Niti Aayog. This is the third extension for this 65-year-old civil servant in the post. Now he will be the CEO of Niti Aayog up to June 2022. So answer will be option number 3, Amitabh Kant. And what is Niti Aayog? Long form of Niti is National Institute for Transforming India. Long form of Niti in Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. It was formed on 1st of January 2015. Headquarters is located in New Delhi. Chairman is Prime Minister of India, currently Narendra Modi. Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog is Rajiv Kumar, and currently CEO is Amitabh Kant. Next, Abhimanyu Mishra, who is seen in news recently, is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, chess. Look at the image. This is Abhimanyu Mishra, an Indian-American chess player, and he has recently become the world's youngest grandmaster at the age of 12 years. At the age of 12 years, 4 months and 25 days. So answer will be option number 4. Abhimanyu Mishra is related to chess. And what is grandmaster? Grandmaster is a title awarded to chess player by the World Chess Organization. It is the highest title a chess player can attain. And remember that Vishwanathan Anand is the first Indian chess player who has become the grandmaster from India. Leon Mendoka is the 67th grandmaster of India, and Arjun Kalyan is the 68th Grandmaster of India. And Vishwanathan Anand, who was the first Grandmaster of India, was awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1991-1992. He was also awarded with Arjun Award in 1985, with Padma Shri in 1987, with Padma Bhushan in 2000, and with Padma Vibhushan in 2007. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched an education loan scheme named Student Credit Card for students aiming for higher studies? Answer is option number 2, West Bengal. Recently, the West Bengal state government has launched an education loan scheme for students aiming for higher studies. The scheme is titled as Students Credit Card. And it will provide soft loans up to 10 lakh with simple annual interest. Students residing in the state for at least 10 years will be eligible for this scheme. So answer will be option number 2. The scheme has been launched by West Bengal. Look at map. This is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Its legislature has 294 members. 42 members are elected to Lok Sabha, and 16 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from West Bengal. It is the 4th most populous and 13th largest state by area in India. It borders with Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, Bhagirathi and Mayurakshi are the main rivers of West Bengal, and Kathi is the cultural dance form of West Bengal. Next, SASCM is a scheme related to which state or union territory? Answer is option number 3, Jammu Kashmir. Long form of SASCM is Special Assistance Scheme for COVID Mortalities. Long form of SASCM is Special Assistance Scheme for COVID Mortalities. And in Jammu Kashmir, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has recently rolled out the SAS scheme on 13th of June 2021. On 13th of June 2021, he handed over the grant of scholarship and pension certificate to the children and members of the families affected due to COVID-19. Under this scheme, cash assistance of rupees 1000 per month shall be provided to the spouse and eldest members of the family. So answer will be option number 4. This scheme is related to Jammu Kashmir. Next, Digital India, a flagship campaign of Government of India, was launched in dash. Answer is option number 2, 2015. Digital India is a campaign launched by the Government of India in order to ensure the government service are made available to citizens electronically by improved online infrastructure and by increasing internet connectivity or making the country digitally empowered in the field of technology. And this flagship program of Government of India has completed 6 years on June 1st, 2021. So answer will be option number 2. Digital India was launched on 2015. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as National Chartered Accountants Day in India? Answer is option number 3, 1st July. National Chartered Accountants Day is celebrated in India on 1st of July every year. It is celebrated to mark the foundation day of the Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI. That is ICAI, a statutory body established in 1949 under an Act of Parliament. So answer will be option number 3, 1st July. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as National Statistics Day? Answer is option number 3, 29th July. Second question was, who among the following has been recently flight tested the new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile Agni-P, an advanced variant of Agni class of missiles? Answer is option number 2, DRDO. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the Special Director of CBI? Answer is option number 1, Praveen Sinha. Which of the following space agency has recently announced to send physically disabled person into the space? Answer is option number 1, ESA, that is European Space Agency. Next, Deepika Kumari is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, archery. Sixth question was, Hockey India has recently nominated Indian men's hockey goalkeeper PR Srijesh and former women's hockey player Deepika for which of the following award? Answer is option 1, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Then seventh question was, which of the following country has recently announced to impose ban on advertise of junk food on TV and online platform in daytime? Answer is option number 4, UK or United Kingdom. Which of the following state government has recently announced to abolish interviews for Group 1 services and all other competitive examinations for recruitment of government jobs? Answer is option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Ninth question was, who among the following has been nominated by BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2021? Answer is option number 1, R. Ashwin. And 10th question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Asteroid Day? Answer is option number 4, 13th June. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, Megha Rajgopalan, who is seen in news recently, is related to dash. She is related to journalism. So answer will be option number 4, and she has been recently awarded with Pulitzer Prize 2021. Now today's question is, Ibrahim Raisi has recently won the presidential elections of dash. Options are Turkey, Iraq, Iran and Afghanistan. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.